Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood now.
वेटरन एक्टर ऋषि कपूर फिर एक बार हुए गुस्से से लाल। ऋषि कपूर ने कुछ ट्वीट्स के जरिए यंग जनरेशन स्टार्स को टारगेट किया था कि उन्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए कि कोई भी विनोद खन्ना को अपनी श्रद्धांजलि देने नहीं आए। ऋषि gave an explanation on what angered him, lashing out on the young generation once again. In a report, he lambasted saying, "I was angered, not disheartened," referring to the near total absence of young actors at the funeral. What does an actor work for? It's his last journey, and you can't come to pay respects to a man who has worked over 150 films and been there for over 4 decades and even has worked with you. Sad that a respected senior actor was sent away by not actually having a lot of people with him wishing him adieu. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या वो और एक्टर्स को एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं फॉर द प्रेयर मीट ऑफ द लेट स्टार, ये बिकॉज दैट्स मोर ऑफ अ फैशन परेड and you want to be in the comforts of the air-conditioned premises. Why were you not there for this event? Despite the fact that Khanna earned immense love and adulation from his co-stars, it's heartbreaking that none of his leading ladies were there. Even many actors from my generation were not there. You just needed to give him respect for his contribution to cinema and love that he spread. No one is expecting you to make a dramatic entry at the funeral. Well, so did Rishi Kapoor have any particular name in his mind while writing those tweets? He states, I am not naming any one person. I am just saying that this generation, actors, filmmakers, producers, none of them came. I have seen this happen at Feroz Khan and Rajesh Khanna's funeral also. It seems these actors have troubled this generation, that they don't really care. I am compelled to think in this manner. Well, ऋषि कपूर तो भाई बहुत ही नाराज है। उन्होंने एक ट्वीट में ये भी लिखा था कि चमचे प्रियंका चोपड़ा के पार्टी में शामिल थे, लेकिन विनोद खन्ना की अंतिम यात्रा में नहीं पहुंचे। Well, ऋषि कपूर का गुस्सा कितना जायज है? Do you feel he is making a point here? Let the debate begin in the comments below.